All right, guys. So this episode is sponsored by HelloFresh. Psych, I got that shit for free. Deuce. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys coming back. If you haven't done so, do me a solid, please subscribe to the channel. As you guys saw from the thumbnail and the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to lubricate your pistol, your AR, or any weapon system with good old motor oil. A quick story on the background of why I use motor oil. A few years ago, I was in Iraq and I had a M2, a 50 cal, and I used LSA, COP, and I'll be honest with you, it used to just jam on me all the time. It would attract a lot of sand, a lot of dirt, and it just sucked, to be honest with you. Until one day someone came across was like, hey man, try motor oil. Sure enough, went to motor pool, got me a bottle of motor oil, used it, and my 50 cal ran amazing. I uploaded not too long ago a short of me really just running a 50 cal, so go check it out if you haven't done so. But anyways, I've been using this Royal Purple quart for last, I don't know, 10, 12 years. I haven't had any issues. I carried it on a little bottle, something like this. You guys can find this at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, or you could order someone on some Amazon or something like that. For cleaning purposes, I usually clean like once a year maybe, but I just maintain my rifles and my pistols as I go. I use Amsoil firearm cleaner. This product is amazing. I wish I can find it everywhere. Now you just have to order from their website. I will put a link in the description if you guys are interested on trying this product. No knock on any other product out there. I just hops for years. I tried Fire Clean, Frog Lube, all kinds of products. To be honest with you, I felt like that was a whole lot of fad. I'm sure it probably works, but to me, motor oil is, where is it at, okay? I just want to make clear and make sure you guys understand, you got to know the status of your weapon. That last thing I want to see is you guys on WorldStar, on TikTok, Instagram, on some video, you shooting your ceiling, side, legs, groin, or worse, someone else, okay? Always know the status of your weapon. Treat it as loaded at all time. But as you guys see, my weapons are broken down. I got my Glock 17 here, and I have my BCG and my charging handle for my rifle. Now let's get into it. So pretty much all I do, I get my little bottle of Royal Purple motor oil, and I'll start with my bolt, right? It's pretty simple where I lube. I don't do a whole lot of stuff. With just a couple of dabs. It'll drop here on the center of the bolt. I'll run my finger around it. I'll do one here also. Run my finger around that. And I'll do all the teeth of the bolt, okay? Like I said, I really don't clean my weapons often. What I do is I dab it up with a little bit of motor oil, obviously, and I always inspect my rifle and my pistol, make sure that the extractor is functional, that it has good tension, and that all my teeth right there is not falling apart. Now for the actual bolt carrier, all I do is one drop to drop around the gas key on the top layer where it rides. I go to the bottom on the sides, 2 little drops there, and that's pretty much it. You could drop one in the middle if you wanted to. That was a little weak one, but anyways, that's all I do for that. After that, I'll grab the cam pin, do this bad boy up. Also, make sure you guys are inspecting all your parts, right? Little dab on that. I also grab my firing pin, and just a little bit of love, nothing crazy. And that is that for the firing pin. Charging handle, as you all know, the charging handle gets a lot of abuse. Look at mine. This is a BCM gunfighter charging handle. I had this bad boy since I built my my SBR. If you guys are interested on knowing what kind of setup I have on my SBR or my pistol, let me know in the comments below. I'll do a video or something for you guys, or just answer on the comments. I'll reply to you guys, okay? And that's pretty much how much I really lube my charging handle, put it together. I'll grab my upper, I'll drop my charging handle in there, I'll put my bolt in my carrier group. put my can pin in there. Yes, sir. Drop my firing pin. And oop, and came out the other side. Pause. Play. And that's pretty much it. Alright. I'll drop that ECG in there. You guys could do a couple of drops on your springs on your trigger if you wanted to, but yes, this guy's lead trigger is crazy. And that is it for the rifle, right? So let me show you guys all I do to my pistol. I'll just grab my barrel, I'll dab it up on top of the barrel block right here. Couple of drops, one here, top, bottom, and around the front of the barrel. Usually you see like a little mark around the barrel or the friction on the slide. Couple of drops on the spring. I'll grab my slide and drop 2 drops, front, back, barrel, back. And then on the frame, I'll just do a little bit on the rails where the slide is gonna be sliding on, okay? And you could also do the trigger bar if you wanted to, drop it between the frame and the trigger bar. I usually don't do anything with the dot connector or any of those springs back there. I mean, it wouldn't hurt if you wanted to, but pretty much that's all it is. Now let's put it together. Yep. If all the axis loop, just go ahead and wipe it with your finger or a rag, however you want to do it. Yeah. That's all I do to lubricate my weapons. I usually do this with every pistol I have in every rifle. To this day, I have had not one issue. Try it if you like, but it's like I like my steak, my whiskey, and my cigars. I eat my steak how I like it. I drink my whiskey how I like it, and I smoke my cigars how I like them. I'm not telling you to go out and do this. This is the only way. Try it out. You don't like it? Cool. If you liked it, awesome. You know, with that, appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have any comments on how to do this process, what else you guys do, where other areas you lubricate, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have a better product than motor oil, let me know in the comments below. I might try it out. Try this bad boy out. I'm telling you guys won't be disappointed. Obviously, we know the reigning champion is going to be Hops. No disrespect to those guys. They're amazing. The product they put out is amazing. But I have had this probably 10, 12 years. No issues. I have not had one issue with any of my weapons. At the end of the day, you're going to have to buy quality parts and quality weapons. Subscribe to the channel. Let the homies know. Share, comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.